Have you ever seen a samosa with crispy layers that open up like puff pastry? This isn't your regular samosa. It's a beautifully layered version that's extra flaky on the outside and packed with a delicious, perfectly spiced potato filling on the inside. First, let's prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Rub the ghee into the flour using your fingertips until the mixture becomes slightly crumbly. This simple step is the secret to getting those delicious flaky layers. Now gradually add water, a little at a time, and knead everything into a smooth, soft dough. Don't rush this step. Take your time, because a well-kneaded dough makes a huge difference in the final texture. Once your dough is smooth and soft, cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. This resting time is important because it relaxes the gluten, making the dough easier to roll and helping you achieve those beautiful flaky layers later on. While the dough is resting, let's make a delicious, perfectly spiced potato filling. Take 2 medium boiled and grated potatoes. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of green peas. Now give everything a really good mix until the potatoes are evenly coated with all those beautiful spices. You want every bite to be full of flavor, with the perfect balance of warmth, aroma, and a little kick of spice. Once the filling is well combined, set it aside while we get back to our dough. After resting for 10 minutes, the dough will be softer, smoother, and much easier to work with. Divide it into 8 equal portions, lightly dust your work surface with flour, and roll each piece into a thin, round shape. The thinner you roll, the crispier and flakier your layered samosa will be. Now cut each round into half. Next, make small cuts in 1/2 exactly as shown. These cuts will create the beautiful layered effect once the samosa is fried. Lightly brush the cut dough with water, then carefully place the plain half over the layered half. Press gently and seal the edges just like shown in the video. You can already see those lovely layers starting to form. Now place a generous spoonful of the potato filling in the center. Fold and seal all the edges tightly so the filling stays perfectly inside while frying. Make sure there are no gaps. Heat oil over medium flame. The oil shouldn't be too hot because we want the layers to cook slowly and become beautifully crisp. Carefully place the samosas into the hot oil and fry them on a medium flame. Be patient here. Slow frying gives you that gorgeous golden color and super crispy texture. As they fry, you'll notice the layers opening up beautifully, making these samosas look bakery style and incredibly tempting. Once they're evenly golden brown and perfectly crispy, remove them from the oil and let the excess oil drain. And just look at that. Crispy, flaky, golden layered samosas with a delicious spicy potato filling inside. Serve them hot with mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or your favorite ketchup, and enjoy every crunchy bite. If you loved this unique layered samosa recipe, don't forget to like, save, and share this video with your friends. Follow for more easy and delicious recipes that anyone can make at home. See you in the next recipe.